If the trial period for Internet Download Manager has expired and you wish to renew it, it is known that the program works for a 1-month trial period, and after the month ends, this message appears to you. To solve the problem of the program's trial period ending, we will type regedit into the Windows search bar. Then right-click and select Run as Administrator. This window will appear. Then click here on the HKey Users folder. Then we click on the folder that ends with the word Classes. Now we scroll down. Now we click on this folder that begins with the letters WOW. Then we click on this folder. We will now look for this key that begins with 07 and ends with CA7. I will now delete this key. After removing this key, you will find that the program is working again and the trial period has been renewed for another 30 days. This method renews the trial period but does not activate the program. If this method works for you, please leave a comment confirming its success. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like the video and subscribe to my channel to encourage me to create more helpful tutorials.